Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Super Primetime Max on the Debate with Arnav. It's time now for the nation's sharpest opinion. Narendra Modi has been elected as the leader of the NDA for the third time, and the scenes this afternoon, as I told you, from the Central Hall of the Samvidhan Sadan depicted a picture of a healthy and a very strong alliance. It was a massive show of strength. The entire NDA has once again put their weight behind the BJP and Prime Minister Modi. And I say once again, because the facts are this. The NDA is a 30-year-old alliance. They're about to enter for their third term in power with Modi 3.0. It is not a grouping of convenience that shatters at the hint of power. It is not a Congress-AAP alliance that ends in 2 days after the general elections. It has completed 3 full 5-year terms, starting from Prime Minister Vajpayee to now the third term of Prime Minister Modi. Chandrababu Naidu has thrown in his unconditional support. We heard his son some time back. Nitish Kumar, in fact, went on to urge the Prime Minister to take oath as soon as possible and get on with this developmental agenda, behind which he has the JDU's full support. All NDA allies sitting in a confident posture, in control of the alliance, with all smiles in the Central Hall, have once again reaffirmed that we are ready to get on with it. We are also saying here at Republic, please get on with it, and let's also get on with it. Everybody has other things to do than politics. The Prime Minister too has made it clear that for the government you need a majority, but for governance you need consensus. And tonight the picture from the Central Hall tells you that the consensus is that Narendra Modi will lead as a historic third term as the Prime Minister of India. Ladies and gentlemen, a quick picture of what happened earlier today, and then we have the day's debate.
स्वागत है भाई, स्वागत है, स्वागत है भाई, स्वागत है। फिर तीसरी बार
दुनिया ये मानती है और मानेगी कि ये एनडीए का महाविजय है।
भारत माता की, भारत माता की, वंदे वंदे वंदे।
2024 के लोकसभा के चुनाव के जो नतीजे हैं, हर पैरामीटर से देखेंगे, दुनिया ये मानती है और मानेगी कि ये एनडीए का महाविजय है।
The picture should put all speculations on government's stability to rest, with the Prime Minister flanked by Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar. Everyone was wearing happy smiles, and going by the speeches made, those were not just for the cameras. From Nitish touching PM's feet to Chirag Paswan's hug, from N. Chandrababu Naidu's heartfelt commendation of PM's governance,
I proudly propose the name of Sri Narendra Modi ji on behalf of Telugu Desam Party for the post of Prime Minister of this great nation.
the NDA sent across a message of both unity of numbers and unity of purpose. Nitish Kumar made it clear that not only the NDA government would last its term, but would come back in 2029 with Modi as its leader.
पूरे देश की सेवा की, अब पूरा भरोसा है कि जो कुछ भी बचा है अगली बार ये सब पूरा कर देंगे। और आप जान लीजिए कि कुछ लोग, हम लोगों को तो अब लगता है कि अगली बार जो आप आइएगा ना, तो इस बार हम देखें कि कुछ इधर उधर कुछ जीत गया है, अगली बार सब हारेगा।
Janasena's Pawan Kalyan added his weight.
Modi ji, you truly inspired the nation. As long as you are the Prime Minister of this country, our country will never bow down to anyone, sir.
Prime Minister underscored in his acceptance speech the importance of the alliance. He said this is the fourth time in the last 3 decades that the NDA has come to power, and that while numbers were needed to form the government, it was consensus that decided governance.
एनडीए को करीब करीब 3 दशक हो चुके हैं। यानी आजादी के 75 साल में 3 दशक एनडीए, ये सामान्य घटना नहीं है। विविधता से भरे हुए अपनी लोकतांत्रिक और सामाजिक रचना के बीच में ये 3 दशक की यात्रा एक बहुत बड़ी मजबूती का संदेश देती है। और मैं कह सकता हूं, हकीकतों के तथ्यों के आधार पर कह सकता हूं, ये सबसे सफल अलायंस है।
Warning the doubting Thomases about the stability of his government, Prime Minister also said that his government was here for the next 10 years.
कि जो 10 वर्ष हमने काम किया है वो तो ट्रेलर है।
PM also did a recap of his governance agenda, leaving no doubt about the stability of the government or decisiveness of his governance.
कि जो 10 वर्ष हमने काम किया है वो तो ट्रेलर है। और वो मेरा चुनावी वाक्य नहीं था, ये मेरा कमिटमेंट है। हमें और तेजी से और विस्तार से और तेज गति से देश के आकांक्षाओं को पूर्ण करने में रत्ती भर भी विलंब नहीं करना है।
But would those casting doubts still continue to do so? Let's debate.
भारत माता की।
And what will Modi 3.0 be like? Cautious or decisive? We have Priyanka Bharti, National Spokesperson, RJD, Lokesh Jindal, Pro-Congress, Vivek Silas, Spokesperson, Samajwadi Party, Sushi Ben Shah, National Spokesperson of the Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena, Pattabhi Ram Komareddy, National Spokesperson, TDP, Sanju Verma, National Spokesperson, BJP. Cautious, Sanju? Sedate, moderated, aggressive? Surely Modi 3.0 can't be the same with lesser numbers.
You know, Arnab, I just have this to say. You've covered politics for so long. I'm sure you appreciate that during the ages of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, when he ran a coalition government from 1999 to 2004, we had the Pokhran nuclear blast, which was unthinkable that government, which was a coalition one at that, could undertake something which ideally even a party with a thumping or a brute majority would have shied away from taking. If you understand Narendra Modi, I think he does not believe in having a gun to his head. While conciliation and not confrontation, the right kind of compromise without being bullied or giving in are the basis on the back of which a coalition government functions. I think for anyone who doubts Narendra Modi's ability to carry through structural reforms, which was the hallmark of Modi 1.0 and Modi 2.0, let me assure you that Modi 3.0 will be better, more empowered, stronger, and I think the confidence also came after watching what Chandrababu Naidu had to say. He said we have rallied around Prime Minister Modi, and he said, forget about being the third largest global economy. Under Narendra Modi's leadership, India could even become the first or the second largest global economy. And he says that if today Indians have seen a sense of pride instilled in them, if India today is a global powerhouse, it is because of Narendra Modi.
But I'll tell you, not everybody believes this. Everyone on, please. You see, to pass a constitution amendment in the Lok Sabha, you need a 2/3 majority, which means you need 362 votes. NDA has 70 short of that. So where are the numbers for the big changes? I'm not talking of a nuclear test, Pokhran 2 or Pokhran 3 if required. I'm talking about one nation, one poll, uniform civil code, judicial reforms, delimitation of the Lok Sabha, labor reforms. Lokesh is coming in. Yes, Lokesh. Lokesh,
May I
by
just finish?
Those were not structural reforms. Those were destructional reforms. They
Oh
were
my God,
destroying
Lokesh,
the
please don't
entire
get into
fabric of the
semantics.
Constitution
Please
of
don't get
India.
into semantics,
And
Lokesh.
now this
Today we are the
form of
world's fifth
disadvantage
largest
is not
economy. Under your
one minute,
Chitania,
Sanju,
India
the
is
question is to
third
him.
largest economy, so don't get
Lokesh has come in. I'm allowing him. Let him
Arnab,
respond.
there's
Yes,
more to
Lokesh.
this. Previously, the government was functioning without having an effective opposition. The members in Public Account Committee did not have access to CAG's report. In fact, the Comptroller and Auditor General had failed to submit report a number of times with respect to estimates committees and other forms of committees which holds the executive responsible, not just in the financial conduct, but the overall manner in which policies are being implemented. But now we will see all these committees having good representations, the government would be held accountable, and now all these forms of misadventures like Citizenship Amendment Act, farm laws, presidential ordinance, coming out with abrupt form of changes, some kuch
Congress party did not even
One minute,
Congress
all
could not
these
even win
forms
House.
Is there a possibility? Is there but I'll tell you one thing to the Congress party.
Congress has not
If
even
the
won
Congress
100
party's
seats.
approach is, one minute. Congress party's approach, Pattabhiram Komareddy, is stated position, we will make life miserable for you. We will make life hell for you. We will not let you sleep well. Is this the job of an opposition? We'll make your life miserable. ये कोई approach होता है क्या? Mr. Komareddy, they're determined. They're saying we'll block you everywhere. That's our politics.
Arnab, we're already seeing that the India alliance is just a pack of cards, which is already collapsing. You've seen what happened in Delhi yesterday. आपने तो already राम राम बोल दिया, और केरला में क्या हो रहा है?
भगवान राम ने आपको राम राम बोल दिया।
विजयन जी क्या बोल रहा है? वेस्ट बंगाल में क्या हो रहा है?
Ram and took the name of Jagannath.
India alliance. See, India alliance will be just a memory. It will not be, visible anymore. It is just a pack of cards. Already that pack of cards is collapsing. So stop dreaming. So I suggest my friends to stop dreaming. This government, you heard.
Mr. Komareddy on the offensive. Yeah. Let him complete. Let Mr. Komareddy complete.
You've seen our leader, Shri Naidu, talking today. He had clearly stated that the country needs a man like Narendra Modi. He is the right man at the right time to make India a superpower in the entire globe. So stop dreaming. This government will complete its full term. TDP and all the India allies are strongly behind Shri Narendra Modi. And ये सपने देखना जो है वो आप बंद कर दीजिए. It is a time for introspection.
Oh,
It is
huge.
a time for introspection. आप आपकी कहानी
Very aggressive.
देखिए. आप कहाँ पे हैं? आप कहाँ पे हैं? केरला में क्या है? वेस्ट बंगाल में क्या है? दिल्ली में क्या है?
कहाँ पे
पंजाब में
है?
क्या है? क्या हो रहा है आपके साथ? आप वो सोचिए पहले. एनडीए तो बरकरार रहेगा. एनडीए मजबूत रहेगा.
इसका जवाब कोई दे पाएगा?
हम कोई मिनिस्ट्रीज के पीछे भागने वाले नहीं है. We are not running behind any ministries. Our agenda is
Did you get
agenda and
the
national
number of
agenda.
ministries you were applying
Our
for?
goals.
Did you get
Our
the speaker's
goals.
post?
Let me finish, my friend. Let me finish.
The speaker post.
Oh, very aggressive TDP today.
Highway minister-
Very aggressive TDP.
There is lot
Did
of
you get the highway
speculation going on
ministry,
that.
sir?
There is lot of speculation
Are your
going on.
demands fulfilled?
And हम इससे पहले टीडीपी से काम कर चुके हैं.
हाँ.
अभी भी मौका है.
अब
मैं
मौका
बोल रहा
है.
हूँ. पूरा
They are
सर्व-
spreading that. No, I'm telling you, Mr. Komareddy, last 24 hours, 36 hours, they are spreading. You know what, Sushiben Shah? They are spreading Priyanka. They are spreading, and Priyanka, why are you people spreading? हम नीतीश बाबू को जानते हैं. अरे तेजस्वी ने प्लेन में सीट चेंज कर दी. तेजस्वी, Anirban, you are not in the picture. I am told Trinamool has also sent an application to NDA. I am asking you, Priyanka, that Tejasvi went and changed his seat sitting next to Nitish Kumar. He requested Nitish Kumar, Nitish Babu, मुझे सिर्फ 4 सीट मिले मगर मैं आपको फिर वापस लाऊंगा, आपको मुख्यमंत्री बनाऊंगा. तो उन्होंने बोला अब क्यों आपके पास जाएंगे, वो तो मुख्यमंत्री है. हम तो ऑलरेडी मुख्यमंत्री है. Priyanka, listen. Why don't you just give up and let it be? Let this government work for the country. You can't have an alliance. Yeah.
Let me speak at least.
Yeah, please.
You should know this, that RJD was the largest vote sharing percentage party in Bihar with 22.9%. That is
How many
nearly
seats did you get?
We got 4 seats and there were nearly
What?
7 seats where we lost around 30,000, 40,000 with that margin. But let me talk about the weekend Prime Minister, Narendra Modi. You should change your heading with Modi 3.0. It should be NDA 1.0.
No, Sushiben, let him complete. Let her complete. All parties are very aggressive today. Priyanka, go for it. I have no problem. No. Sanju, let her speak. Sanju, let Priyanka of RJD speak. Let Priyanka of RJD speak, and then you respond. You hit back.
You just got 4
Please
seats.
let me speak.
The NDA in Bihar got 31 out of 40 seats,
Share
which is a strike rate of
state
78%.
and power. So debate and
The
dissent
Dot
will
Dot
find
Alliance
their
got
way
just
in
9
the
seats
country
out of
right
40
now.
seats.
And I would like to assert
Your
that
Dot Dot
Narendra
Alliance
Modi
got just
used to
9
say
out of
that he
40
will change the
seats in
constitution.
Bihar,
His personal
which is a strike rate of less than 25%. So I don't know why you are rejoicing.
Today we saw the picture where
A
Narendra
strike
Modi
rate of less than 25% मतलब आप fail नहीं है.
This is the winning
Tejaswi Yadav's charisma.
Priyanka, loud up. Sanju, please don't. Please don't, Sanju. Priyanka, continue.
In Bihar has a strike rate of 78%.
She will just continue to bargain.
Today
This is an undemocratic process which BJP follows and the spokesperson of BJP will follow. I just want to say that RJD was not in this party in the election this time. Everyone knows this, and now PM is forced to share his seat, his power, his state with everyone. So this is NDA 1.0, not Modi 3.0. This is the defeat of Manusmriti and whatever PM Modi did to this country.
Tejaswi Yadav, despite all his false
Ganguji, you know, PM Modi is behind even 224 MPs of this country. 224 MPs. 112 भाजपा के सांसद तो मोदी जी से वोट परसेंटेज के आगे हैं. आप क्या बात कर रही हैं?
कल्याण ने कह
मोदी जी सबसे कमजोर प्रधानमंत्री बनकर उभरे हैं इस साल. देश की जनता ने अपना मैंडेट दे दिया है कि मनुस्मृति की इस देश में कोई जगह नहीं है.
So calm down. You got only 9 seats out of 40. Calm down. Your Dot Dot
You
Alliance
need to calm down and settle the PM who is right now is afraid.
I tell you, Priyanka, Sushiben, in terms of, see, we can't be in trivialities. What happens to Uniform Civil Code is my concern. You know, Sushiben Shah, do you think this NDA will be able to push the Uniform Civil Code?
No, first things first. You see, as far as BJP is concerned, the India Alliance must understand that BJP by its own has got more seats than the entire India Alliance. So
But Ajit Pawar is leaving you. But Ajit Pawar is going to leave you 1 minute. One minute. Sushiben Shah, all very good. But on brass tacks, Ajit Pawar had a meeting. Ajit Pawar had a meeting in a 5-star hotel in Mumbai. 5 of his MPs did not come. He was making a very glum face. He himself did not come for the NDA meeting. Chhagan Bhujbal is fighting the BJP already. So saying that I will not accept the Manusmriti being taught in schools in Maharashtra. There is tension in your alliance. Even the BJP does not want to go with NCP. So first things first, can you tell me what's true?
I will tell you this. As far as Shiv Sena is concerned.
No, as far as Mahayuti, is Ajit Pawar still part or not part?
But NCP is a part of us, no denying on that. And Ajit Dada is an able administrator. He's a tall leader of Maharashtra. He's of course upset having lost Baramati. So therefore maybe he was upset for a day or two. But he spoke gallantly today in the parliament and fully supported Narendra Modi ji. So that's one part. As far as the MLA of NCP is concerned, there could be reasons of 40 out of 5 remaining absent. Heavens are not falling. But a Mahayuti with Devendra Fadnavis ji, with our Honorable CM Eknath Rao ji Shinde, and Ajit Dada, we are together. We are firmly on our side.
I think that.
So that's as far as Shiv Sena is concerned, Arnab ji, let me understand this. As far as Shiv Sena is concerned, who are we? We are the political party who have natural alliance with the BJP. We are the political party who is following the ideals, the principles of Bala Saheb
But do you think
Thackeray,
BJP may
Hindu
go to
Bala
Uddhav
Saheb.
and get him also in because they need to somehow win the elections in Maharashtra, you see?
Sorry?
Would the BJP go back to the Uddhav Sena because they need to win the elections in Maharashtra?
Uddhav Sena, Ubata today is struggling. In fact, many of their office bearers and MLAs are in touch with us because they've lost their ground base. If you see total vote share of Shiv Sena in the entire Maharashtra is close to about 20%, of which we have 75%. What does Ubata have? A minuscule amount of their base voters and of course the minority votes, the Congress votes. So they are insecure. They are losing ground. We are, our Paksha Pramukh, who's also our Kutum Pramukh, talks to people every day, to the office bearers, to the Khasdar, to the Amdar. We talk to him one-on-one, not on Facebook Live and on video live. So our cadre, our office bearers, our MLAs, our MP are committed to the ideology of Hindu Rashtra. So where is the problem of Hindutva? So we and BJP are working together. We are working for development.
Can I get Vivek Silas?
So I don't seem to understand where is the misgiving.
Vivek, I think you guys are getting overexcited. No. Because after all, BJP has 240. You guys can't form an alternative government. So with the government is going to be there. What are you getting excited about? I want to understand. The epicenter of your excitement.
What is the BJP so afraid of?
No. What is the epicenter of your excitement?
We are forming the government.
No. They are excited. They are forming the government. What are you excited about?
Exactly.
Yes, Arnab, tell us, Chandrababu Naidu promised 4% Muslim reservation in Andhra Pradesh.
Keep me otherwise.
Will the BJP allow
I'm
it?
keeping you 1 minute. Vivek, I'm coming to you. I very much
You
you're
can
on it.
disconnect me, Arnab, whenever you want.
No, I'm not disconnecting
I'm not in a
you.
mood to sit
1
with you.
minute. Anirban, after him, you are coming, and then I get Sanju and Mr. Komareddy back. Yeah, so my question is, what are you guys getting excited about? Anirban, briefly. This government is going to pull through.
Okay, first of all, in Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu promised 4% Muslim reservation. Will the BJP allow it? Regarding Agniveer project, the JDU is already unhappy. They want a repeat or at least a review of the project. Will the BJP do it? Regarding Uniform Civil Code, we have seen in the past that many of the parties who are now part of the NDA, including the TDP, they are not in
Okay, I'll get
agreement.
Mr. Komareddy to...
What about caste census?
Anyway, that is all between them. You guys are not in power. No.
Conducted a caste census in Bihar.
Are you in power or opposition? You're opposition. No, so why, let them deal with it. Okay, Mr. Komareddy is responding. I think he wants to respond to the first question on Muslim
We are
quota.
going to ask questions.
Mr. Komareddy wants to respond to the first question on Muslim quota.
Opposition party.
On Muslim quota, he wants to respond. Everybody is on the screen. Muslim quota, he wants to respond.
For the BJP, but we will ask this question.
Komareddy, Anirban, quiet. Everyone on. Thank you.
You should see, my friend, you should listen first. See, whether it be any issue, whether it is the Muslim reservation quota or any other issue, there is a process of dialogue. We know how to, convince our partners, and we know how to bring out solutions. And we should also not forget
forward with it.
that the landslide, mandate that we
support you on that.
You know,
now please ask the BJP.
You know the numbers
support you.
Komareddy.
164
on this issue,
out
on
of
this
175.
4%.
Komareddy, volume down for Anirban for a minute. Yeah, Komareddy, yeah.
Please ask.
Yeah,
Please ask
164 out of 175 is the mandate which we got in AP. Even the Bharatiya Janata Party had won 8 out of their 10 seats in AP. So the people of Andhra Pradesh know who is who and what can be delivered. They have that belief in the leadership of Narendra Modi ji and Chandrababu Naidu ji. So stop worrying. So stop worrying about us.
So will
Think
Narendra
about
Modi
what is
allow the
happening
Muslim
in your
reservation?
state.
That is the question we are
See,
asking. Answer in yes or no.
I'll tell you
Will BJP allow
You should
Muslim
understand
reservation?
that we have a large experience in working in
answer.
Okay, meanwhile, I have another bit of breaking news. Vivek, I have got the breaking news. We got that Sensex has once again gone back to its earlier highs and has reached new record highs. More and more confidence in the Sensex. Now you will say there is one more scam. You people have now Vivek Silas, all the June 4th losses have been recovered after the formation of NDA on the eve of Prime Minister being sworn in. Now you'll say there's one more scam. You see, Vivek, you must find something to do. If you don't have anything to do because you're 5 years in the opposition, you find something to do. I personally feel that there are many hobbies you can pick up: music, gardening, cycling, yoga. But just to say I will make the life miserable for this government is not an agenda for you. Why do you want to have this?
We will make life miserable.
Vivek, no, why this I will make life miserable for you approach? Vivek Silas.
Your life is already
Vivek
miserable.
Silas.
Your life is already miserable. Your life is already miserable.
Vivek Silas.
Who's this TDP asshole? Who's this man?
TDP, Komareddy, his name is.
Who's this? You can be the toll licker of the government, Mr. TDP. You can lick the toes of Narendra Modi.
How can you say that?
We are not going to lick the toes of Narendra
We
Modi.
have just won the
You can lick the toes of Narendra Modi.
We have won the mandate of the people of this country.
What are you saying? You are not even half the number of
We understand that. Behave like a responsible opposition. Learn to behave like a responsible
We have to do
It's
nothing
not
with
possible to
that.
digest the fact
We have
that
to do
Narendra
nothing
Modi
with
will
that.
be the Prime Minister for
If you want to lick the toes of Narendra Modi, go and Sanju ji was saying that how many you have got in Maharashtra? How many
Whereas
you get
we
in
got
Maharashtra, Sanju ji?
a strike
You
rate
got
of
just 9
91%
seats.
in Uttar Pradesh in
Please.
2014 Lok Sabha
won
and a
by
strike
only
rate of 78%
1.5 lakh
from Uttar
votes.
Pradesh.
Let Vivek Silas come in. Priyanka, let Vivek Silas of the SP make his point. Sanju, wait, let Vivek Silas of the SP make his point. Vivek, on a serious note, there has to be a more constructive role for the opposition than to constantly
Yeah, definitely.
say
That
we
is
want
what
to
I
make
was
life
saying.
miserable for the
But
new
you said
government.
You go and do driving, you go and do gardening. What is happening to you, Arnab? What is happening to you?
I'm saying you don't have a
Yeah.
negative approach that we want to make life
The
miserable
people
for the
who
new
have given us
government.
43 seats in Uttar Pradesh. You are saying we should go and do driving. We should go and
I
do
compliment you
gardening.
for your
We should
performance
do
in Uttar
something
Pradesh.
else. What is
But
this?
I'm saying at a national
If I tell
level,
you,
what is
go
going
and-
to be your role at the
If I tell
center?
you go and sweep your toilet, how will you feel? Go and sweep your toilet, Arnab. You are not fit to be a journalist.
Oh
If
my
I tell you
God.
that, how will you feel that? How will you
Samajwadi
feel?
Party.
I'm sorry, Vivek, I'm sorry if you can't take, one minute. I think the question is very clear. I think that you should have a sense of humor. The question is, one minute, the question is to you to say we will not let the government last its term. Sanju, 1 minute, yaar.
You will be sitting
That
in the
would be
opposition in the parliament
directly
as
related
well.
to the people of India.
So why this
That is-
arrogance? Why
that is
jumping
the
up
role
and
of the
down?
opposition. And that is what we are
Prime
going to do in
Minister
the parliament.
Narendra Modi, he
What is
will
your
go
problem? I don't think you
TDP
should have
is a
any
strong
problem.
alliance partner.
Go and do
JDU is a
gardening,
strong
go and
alliance
do
partner.
driving. What is this
Eknath
happening?
Shinde's Shiv
We are a
Sena is a
responsible
strong alliance partner.
We are a
The
responsible
Congress
opposition.
got zero
We'll
in
be,
14
we,
states.
we'll be taking
The
over
Congress got just one
0%
seat in
that.
Odisha.
How much did you
The
get in
Congress got
Maharashtra?
just one
You
seat
come
in
from
West
Maharashtra.
Bengal.
How much did you get in
He's talking
Maharashtra?
about the
You just
credibility
got
of the
9
Congress
seats.
party, which after being out of power for so many years still could not get 100 seats. Narendra Modi has converted anti-incumbency into pro-incumbency.
ओए,
Congress
रस्सी जल गई, बल नहीं गया संजू वर्मा।
From 2004
रस्सी जल
to
गई,
2014,
बैसाखी
Congress
पे आ
was
गए,
reduced to
लेकिन अभी बल
44
नहीं जा रहा।
seats.
अभी बल
Despite
नहीं
being
जा
in
रहा,
power
बहुत
for
जल्दी
10
बल
years,
जाएगा।
we are still
घबराइए मत,
40.
बहुत जल्दी बल उतरे।
240 पर है भाई
रस्सी
साहब।
जल गई पर बल नहीं
आपकी
गया।
कुल मिलाकर टैली कितनी
नौटंकी
है?
नहीं खत्म हो रही, नौटंकी वहीं की वहीं।
कांग्रेस की कुल मिलाकर टैली कितनी
आप
है?
किसी को बोलने नहीं दोगे, आप किसी को बात नहीं
कुल
करने
मिलाकर टैली
दोगे।
कितनी है?
अरे अब तो
4 सीटें।
240 सीटों पे
So
आ
what are you
गए,
jumping
अब तो
about?
सुधर जाइए कि अभी भी ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा।
नरेंद्र
और
मोदी
मेरा
की
तो सवाल
सरकार
मीडिया
वापस
से
आ
भी
रही है
है।
तीसरी
मीडिया
बार।
क्या अभी भी
9
विपक्ष से
तारीख को
सवाल
नरेंद्र
पूछेगा?
मोदी तीसरी बार
मीडिया क्या
प्रधानमंत्री
अभी
के
भी
रूप में
विपक्ष से
शपथ
सवाल
ले रहे
पूछेगा
हैं।
या मीडिया
Do you agree
हिम्मत
that is a
करेगा
big achievement?
एनडीए की
Yes or
सरकार
no?
से सवाल पूछने?
Show me one
अर्नब जी थोड़ा सा हिम्मत
prime minister in the last
रखिए, डरिए
62
मत।
years.
आप बड़े पत्रकार हैं,
Who come
जिम्मेदार
back to office
पत्रकार
for the
हैं।
third
कुछ
time
सवाल
in a row. For the
भारतीय
first time in
जनता पार्टी की
62
पुष्टियां करिए।
years. A
इनकी
leader is
सरकार
going to
तो
be helming.
अभी बन रही है, बनी भी नहीं है।
He stayed
शुभकामनाएं
for
हमारी
the third time in
हैं,
a
हमारी
row.
शुभकामनाएं हैं,
आपके अखिलेश
लेकिन इनसे भी
यादव
सवाल
उत्तर
पूछने की
प्रदेश
हिम्मत
जीतेंगे
मत
ना?
करिए।
तब हम
फिर बैठ
तालियां
के
बजाएंगे।
विपक्ष को
फिलहाल
कोसने से,
उत्तर प्रदेश
विपक्ष को से
असेंबली
प्रश्न
में
करने
अखिलेश
से
यादव
काम नहीं
विपक्ष
चलने
में
वाला।
बैठे हैं।
देश अगर आगे बढ़ेगा
सीएम
तो
की कुर्सी
collectively
में
we have
बैठे
to
हैं।
work.
प्रधानमंत्री
should ask
सभी के
questions.
सभी विपक्ष में बैठने वाले हो, इसीलिए
You should ask
इतना
questions to the government in power.
पहले
They are
सत्ता में आइए.
questionable. They have to be questioned,
Form a
and we will
government
question
in
them
center.
hard in the
Form a government
parliament
in
this
Uttar
time.
Pradesh. Then
We will
we
be
will
questioning
talk.
them hard.
This is
We
not
will
a
be hitting
debate
them
between
hard,
equals.
very hard in
You
the
have
parliament.
only
And
improved
that is
your
what
tally, but
a
you're still sitting in the opposition.
That is
Don't
what a
forget that.
responsible opposition role has
What
to
is
be.
the Congress's
And we
tally
will
in
be
Lok Sabha
filling that
2014?
role.
But Vivek, 1 minute, be reasonable here. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Of course you can. 1 minute, please. Now, Sanju and Vivek, just take a break for a minute. Just take a break for a minute. I think, just take a break for a minute, Sanju. Both of you. ये क्या रस्सी जल गई and all you are saying? What is this रस्सी जल गई and all?
अभी बल ही नहीं किया।
कोई रस्सी नहीं जली।
239 सीट पे आ गए।
कोई
400
रस्सी
पार,
नहीं
400
जली।
पार, 400 पार, 400 पार, 239 सीट पे आ गए।
मिली
रस्सी जल गई है। बैसाखी पे आ गए।
2024
लेकिन अभी
के
बल नहीं
लोकसभा
है।
चुनाव में बीजेपी को
बेशर्मी की हम पार कर चुके हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी और उनके जो
चुनाव में मिलकर
ये यहाँ जो स्पोक्सपर्सन और जो
195
प्रवक्ता आते
सीटें
हैं,
मिली हैं, तो किस बात का आपको इतना उल्लास है? किस बात की आपको
हमको
इतनी
नहीं
खुशी
है।
है?
हमको कोई उल्लास
हमें खुशी
नहीं है।
है, हमारे
हम
मोदी
तो
जी
सवाल
तीसरी बार
कर रहे हैं।
प्रधानमंत्री बन रहे
काहे का
हैं।
उल्लास?
हमें खुशी है।
हम तो
योगी
सवाल
आदित्यनाथ
कर
अभी
रहे हैं
भी चीफ
आपसे।
मिनिस्टर
Vivek, silence 1 minute. Vivek, silence. I personally, 1 minute. If you heard, Vivek, 1 minute, Sanju. For God's sake, stop. If you heard the Prime Minister's, I'll have to change the guests on both sides right now. If you heard the Prime Minister's speech in the Parliament today, you saw a fighting spirit. There is no doubt that the result has been a setback for the Prime Minister. Can they stop, please, and can the directors manage the windows? There is no doubt that the election result is a bit of a setback for the Prime Minister, no doubt about it. But I'm saying here today, people like Vivek, Priyanka, Lokesh must look back at the past. You know, Modi came back stronger after being incarcerated for the 2002 riots. He delivered in Gujarat despite the hurdles. He got a growth rate over 10%. Under COVID pandemic, when the whole world got after him, including you, Vivek Silas and Lokesh and all of you, he bludgeoned through. Russia-Ukraine war, he learnt and navigated through the external pressure. He fought the most successful COVID battle in the world, and the economic indicators are fantastic for our growth. I mean, see, Vivek, 1 minute, let me speak first. Vivek, see, Vivek, listen to me. Congratulations on your 37 seats. Can you stop acting like that? Why are you behaving like that? I'm having a serious discussion with you.
It was a good meme. We enjoyed it.
Can you stop behaving like a meme or a troll?
We enjoyed it.
Yeah, but you're a political party spokesperson, not a troll.
You talk about the Ukraine war, I have to react like that.
No, but you're...
It's my right to react. It's my right to react.
Yeah, but shouldn't you react in a more serious...
I'm sorry, Arnab, but it's my right.
This is no time for war. He has said it openly to Mr. Putin. You must appreciate that. This is a debate, not a one-upmanship. He was the Prime Minister, he was representing the government, and he told Mr. Putin in so many words, this is not the right time for war. I mean, you need guts, you need clear vision to do that. You must at least appreciate that.
My humble request, yes, we do need clear vision. But you cannot, give the credit to Narendra Modi ji for everything, you know.
Not everyone, this is the fact.
Why not?
It's collective.
He is the Prime Minister. He is the one who has dealt with the situation. Why not give credit to Modi? Why not give credit to Modi?
India is one of a rising power.
India
Who
that
dealt
given the
with the
mandate
Ukraine war situation?
to the
Who
people
dealt
of the
with the COVID
country.
situation? Is it not Mr. Modi? Who else will get the credit apart from Modi ji?
You can lick his toes, no problem. We don't have any problem.
Please don't. What are these words? Lick your shoes and all. Why do you have to talk like that? Vivek, this is not right. This is not the language expected from you.
India.
When you will have, when the
आपका जो कुछ नहीं क्यों हो रहा है आप उसको जरा कम कर दीजिए दवाई है हमारे पास आपका कुछ नहीं कम करने का दवाई हमारे पास है Mind your language and behave yourself.
Okay, now Modi 3.0 in my view, Modi 3.0 in my view will be interesting because, if I may, Priyanka, I'm coming to you. See, one is that our economy will grow very well. RBI said 7.2%, I think today. Global manufacturing hub, third largest economy. All these things happening by the middle of Modi's third term. Plus, you'll see the Prime Minister taking regional parties along. You know, today he referred to Orissa, Andhra, TDP. So it's more representative in that sense. We are going to conclude FTAs, free trade agreements with different countries. Oman, UK, EU, Canada, of course, is on hold. We are going to try and become a permanent member of the UN Security Council. So I think the next 5 years, I actually think, Priyanka, the opposition should play a very supportive role, saying that we have a great opportunity by backing the Prime Minister's vision of not just taking our defense exports to a record high, but taking the country to a record high globally. What I'm saying is, don't have this approach. We will make life miserable for you. Why? The election is over. Why so much pessimism, negativity? We will make life miserable for you. We will not let you breathe. आपको रहने नहीं देंगे. ये क्या approach है? ये कोई appreciate नहीं करेगा nationally. Priyanka.
We don't have a negative approach towards that.
It's a bad thing to talk like that.
We are going to force Mr. Modi to give employment to the youngsters of this country, do caste-based census, and give OBC their representation, as well as remove the 50% cap of reservation that is implemented, and give reservation in private sectors as well. So that is what we are going to force Modi to do, because he does not wish to do caste in the country.
I want to ask you, Priyanka Bharti. Priyanka Bharti, I think charity begins at home. Charity begins at home. Can I ask you, since you are saying, allow me to complete, Priyanka. Allow me to complete. Sushi Benji, I'm asking a question. She says that there should be reservations in the private sector. Okay? I say, okay, Priyanka, very good. We should have full reservations in the private sector. Can you start by having 100% Dalit reservations in the topmost levels of the RJD? Can Tejaswi, Lalu, Misa all step down? क्यों नहीं करते आप? Or have Muslim reservations? Why don't you have a Muslim head? You don't want reservations for Muslims? Muslims and Dalits, no one. Why don't, I want to ask you, why don't you have reservations for Muslims and Dalits for the post of RJD president?
Now let me respond.
RJD president.
We want reservations in private sector as well, because we want.
No, I am asking you, why don't you have reservations for the post?
We want to see Arnab, apart from Arnab Goswami, we want to see Arnab Yadav, we want to see Arnab Paswan, we want to see Arnab Kushwaha everywhere, every sector of society.
Who's stopping you? Merit in the country. So there is no merit in this country. What are we talking about?
I am not understanding. Nobody is stopping anybody from any. Nobody is stopping anybody from any caste from rising to any position in this country. Sushi Ben is on the debate. I am saying, आप करिए ना, आप RJD के presidentship में why don't you reserve the post of RJD president for a Muslim or a Dalit? Sushi Ben is on the debate. This is not the debate we need in this country. We don't need this debate in this country in 2024. Don't elevate caste. Sushi Benji, what?
Census in Karnataka in 2013, and Congress was in power till 2018 and is still in power in Karnataka. Why has Congress not made the findings of the Karnataka caste census public? RJD is an alliance partner of the Congress. Please tell me, Congress did a caste census in 2011.
You all are going to do caste census in the country. Please say yes or no. Because Narendra Modi vowed in front of the Constitution today that earlier Narendra Modi used to say Arakshan gadbad hai. That earlier BJP party said hum संविधान बदल देंगे. But today Narendra Modi is forced to bow in front of the Constitution. That is how we feel. That is the defeat of Manusmriti.
Since you people have, since your argument is, Sanju, my next point, I have limited point, I'm making a very solid point next. My next point is very interesting, just one, everyone. Since you are saying that they will not have a stable government and we know how to run stable governments, I have a few questions to ask and I want a yes or no reply. Tell me, if I say all your present allies have fought and quit at some time, you will tell me, Lokesh, I have made up. So I'll start. KCR, quit, UPA 1. Vaiko, MDMK, quit, UPA 1. Left party CPI, CPM, Forward Bloc, RSP quit over Indo-US nuke deal. ये आपका record है. Then UPA 2 पे आते हैं. UPA 2, I started putting pressure on corruption. I exposed 6 scams. You were in big trouble within 1 year. Then Lalu quit over women's reservation. Everyone on. Then Mamata Banerjee quit over railway budget. Then DMK quit over something.
How can you be
Trinamool Congress quit over something. Priyanka, you are all a party.
This is wrong, Arnab. This cannot be allowed. Factually, you can't be wrong. Lalu wanted quota within quota. Laluji was not.
Priyanka, listen to me. Listen to me. Priyanka, I don't know who has told you what. Go to Lalu and say. Go to Lalu Prasad ji and say. I am placing on record. Viewers, volume. Lalu Prasad Yadav quit over the women's reservation bill. Ye quota versus quota and all that is drama. You did not want the women's reservation bill.
Does not even know the
Arnab
definition of
Goswami ji, you do not have any idea. We were never against women reservation, but we want quota within quota. ताकि सभी सवर्ण तबके की महिलाएं मलाई पकड़ ना बैठ जाएं और दलित की महिलाएं
Sushi Ben Shah.
cabinet ministers, 12 ministers were Dalits and
always the quota
Misinformation. That is what the India Alliance is doing.
फॉरवर्ड
service
तबके की
nation.
महिलाएं दूसरे महिलाओं का लिहाज करते हैं। 5,000 सालों से आप लोगों ने हमें रखा, 5,000 सालों से स्कूल जाने नहीं दिया और आज वुमेन रिजर्वेशन के नाम पर
but now Priyanka, thank you. Priyanka, you're very enthusiastic and very vocal.
आप 5,000 साल पहले की बात कर रहे हो. हम 2024 में एटलीस्ट आप हमारे प्रधानमंत्री को कांग्रेचुलेट तो करें.
1 minute. I'll tell you one thing. Priyanka, आपकी socialism, Priyanka, just I wanted everyone on. Priyanka, Vivek Silas, you know that you say you are socialist. Your socialism began and ended in Subroto Roy Sahara's palace in Lucknow. सोशलिज्म की फेक लैंग्वेज मत बताइए. वहां पे सुपरस्टार पार्टीज ये सब होता था, प्राइवेट प्लेन्स, चार्टर्ड प्लेन्स में लेफ्ट लीडर्स घूमते थे. मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूं
बॉलीवुड स्टार्स
वो किस तरह की विचित्र सोशलिज्म थी, जरा बताइए मुझे. आप बताइए मुझे विवेक जी. हमें याद है विवेक जी, हमें याद है वो दिन. आपको याद नहीं, हमें याद है. विवेक साइलेंस, सहारा स्कूल ऑफ सोशलिज्म, SSS, सहारा स्कूल ऑफ सोशलिज्म. विवेक साइलेंस को चुभती होगी मेरी बात. सहारा स्कूल ऑफ सोशलिज्म. संजू 1 minute please, I want him to respond.
सुब्रत सहारा को गुजरे कितना टाइम हो गया. वहाँ ये होता था, वहाँ ये होता था
कि नहीं होता था.
पहले की बात कर रहे हैं.
लालू
I think
Volume down for others. I want to hear Vivek Silas. Vivek Silas, मैं कुछ, if I'm, no, Vivek Silas 1 minute, because I'm speaking the truth, you'll call me absurd. Because I'm speaking the truth, you'll call me absurd. Was I 1 minute, Priyanka and Vivek, were they not, or did, 1 minute. Now Priyanka, stop shouting for a minute. I'm speaking the truth. People know what I'm saying, and Priyanka, I have a lot of experience. KCR quit, Vaiko quit, left quit, CPI quit, CPM quit, RSP quit, Forward Bloc quit, Lalu quit, Mamata quit, DMK quit, all quit. And the socialism was of a Subroto Roy Sahara model. अब मैं सच बोलूं तो चुपती है आप लोगों को.
Arnab ji, if
all of you quit,
we would have.
You want Priyanka, 1 minute. Listen to me. Priyanka, you expect Modi 3.0 to run in the way that you ran your governments?
I don't.
You ran your governments.
1.0. It's NDA 1.0. It's not Modi.
Chalo, Modi,
3.0.
NDA 1.0, but they will not run like you, no.
And NDA 1.0 will be forced to do caste-based census, remove 50% staff from reservation.
Sushi Ben.
and give reservation.
Okay, thank you, Priyanka. You hogged the. Okay, can I get Mr. Komareddy in? Mr. Komareddy, see. The way I look at it, you guys are up in trouble. You have an opposition that is saying we will make life miserable for you. We will be after you every day, 24 hours, 365 days for the next 5 years. And we will force a midterm election. We will force a midterm election in this country.
It's the Republic TV that is saying that.
I've been... Vivek, just wait, my friend. Arnab had asked me a question.
Why is he exaggerating things? Who has said that?
Arnab,
that we want a midterm,
I've been hearing these jokes.
election?
I've been
Who said
listening
that?
to these jokes
Can
for the
anyone
past
tell me on the
couple of
panel who has
days.
said that?
Let them dream.
The spreading of fake news has become a hallmark of Republic TV.
We are
What are
having
you
good
doing?
fun listening to these jokes. We have been listening to these jokes from the past few days. Let them dream in broad daylight. They'll realize after we complete the 5-year term and the kind of progress that this country had made. Here I would like to state one point, Arnab. My friends in the opposition should, remind themselves what Mr. Modi had said during his election campaign. He had clearly stated that he would love to have a strong opposition.
Yes.
He had said, he had clearly stated this.
Well, you tell Vivek, you tell Lokesh. Lokesh and Vivek, why do you have to follow this Congress party approach? You be a responsible party.
Who's following that? Who has said in the
but here, see,
Mr. Modi once said that Chandrababu Naidu is the worst chief minister of this country.
See, my only request is...
Does Mr. Komareddy remember that?
We are not afraid of the opposition. We want a strong opposition. But here you should also understand that we are working on a vision 2047, the year which we finish 100 years of independence. And that is the vision on which Mr.
Let's
Modi
work
is
together.
working. By 2047, don't you want India to be the number one nation?
We want.
Will you not come along with us?
We have. I would say we have a remarkable opportunity next 5 years, Mr. Vivek Silas. We have had enough fights over the last 5 months. The next 5 years should be glorious. They should bring us together.
Yes, they should be.
So let's work together on that.
Without Mr. Modi as the Prime Minister, we will have a great 5 years.
Rahul Gandhi has to say now, given that the Sensex has gained everything that we lost.
Rahul Gandhi will say it's another, he wants one more JPC on a second stock market scam. I don't know what he does. I don't know where he studied. Where is this?
77,000.
Where is this Rollins College in Florida where he has studied? I must find out. I must find out the background of this Rollins College in Florida where he claims to have done his graduation. Anyway, who goes to Florida to study? Who goes to Florida to study? That's another question. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll close by saying that coalition politics has made a comeback. The larger debate in the country is now about NDA and Indi. So far, we are seeing a strong Modi and a strong NDA determined to steer the nation. Of course, things will be different, but some factors cannot be overlooked going forward. We've seen a bit of a setback for the Prime Minister with the numbers. We have seen Nitish change sides before. And politics. So we cannot have an absolutist view on any party or alliance's future. But one thing is for sure, that the India's allegation that Modi ended regional parties as boomerang, because Modi in 3.0 is helming the regional parties in the NDA and they are following with confidence. The markets have also jumped back right after the NDA officially proposed the name of Narendra Modi for PM. If nothing, then markets are an indication that this is a strong Modi 3.0. But the way I see it, ladies and gentlemen, it must also be a cautious NDA, especially with assembly elections scheduled this year in Maharashtra and Haryana. That's the way I see it. Have a great weekend. I will, of course, see you and take you through the swearing in, which I'm sure you'll be watching live on Connected TV, DTH cable, or streaming on your favorite network, the Republic Media Network. See you then.
Time for a quick breather.